Have you ever paid hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars for insurance, only to feel completely blindsided when it doesn't cover what you thought it would? You're not alone. Every year, millions of Americans make costly insurance mistakes, some that can drain savings, delay claims, or even leave families without crucial protection in a crisis. Whether it's health, auto, home, or life insurance, these slip-ups are more common than you think. But here's the good news. Most of them are entirely avoidable. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 insurance mistakes Americans make and how you can steer clear of them. Whether you're buying your first policy or reviewing your current coverage, stick around because these tips could save you thousands and offer peace of mind when you need it most. Let's get started. Number 10. Thinking, it won't happen to me. This one's a mindset trap. Many people skip important coverage like disability insurance, renter's insurance, or even life insurance because they believe nothing bad will happen. But statistics paint a different picture. According to the Social Security Administration, 1 in 4 20-year-olds will become disabled before retirement. Accidents, illnesses, and unexpected events happen more often than we'd like to believe. Insurance isn't for the things you expect. It's for what you don't. Number 9. Choosing the cheapest policy. Let's be real. No one likes paying for insurance. So, it's tempting to grab the lowest monthly premium and call it a day. But cheaper isn't always better. That low price might mean high deductibles, limited coverage, or exclusions that leave you hanging when it's time to file a claim. For example, some low-cost health insurance plans might exclude key prescriptions or have very narrow provider networks. Always read the fine print and understand what you're giving up to save a few bucks a month. Number 8. Underinsuring your home. Homeowners often think their home insurance only needs to match their purchase price. But what really matters is the cost to rebuild, not what you paid for it. Construction costs have risen sharply in recent years due to inflation and supply chain issues. If your home burns down or is destroyed in a storm, being underinsured could mean you're stuck paying tens of thousands out of pocket just to rebuild. Always review your policy every couple of years and adjust for inflation or renovations. Number 7. Ignoring renter's insurance. If you rent, you might assume your landlord's insurance has you covered. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. Landlord insurance protects the building, not your stuff. Renter's insurance is often dirt cheap, usually under $20 a month, but it can cover thousands of dollars worth of personal belongings, temporary living expenses if you're displaced, and even personal liability. If you rent and don't have it, you're rolling the dice. Number 6. Skipping life insurance if you're young and healthy. A lot of people think life insurance is only for people with kids or mortgages. But buying it when you're young and healthy can lock in incredibly low rates for decades. And it's not just for families. If you have debt, a partner, or even just want to avoid burdening loved ones with funeral costs, life insurance matters. Waiting until you're older, or worse, after a health scare, can mean much higher premiums or denial altogether. Number 5. Not understanding deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums. Let's talk health insurance. Many people focus only on their monthly premium and overlook two critical numbers: the deductible and the out-of-pocket maximum. Your deductible is what you pay before insurance kicks in. The out-of-pocket max is the most you'll pay in a year. A low premium plan might have a deductible of $7,000 or more, meaning you'll be on the hook for everything up to that point. Understanding these numbers can help you budget and choose the right plan for your needs. Number 4. Failing to shop around. Too many people buy insurance once and never look back. But insurance companies constantly adjust rates, especially after claims or credit changes. Shopping around, even once a year, can save you hundreds. This is especially true for auto insurance. Many drivers stay loyal to one insurer, but those who compare rates regularly often find better deals with equal or better coverage. Number 3. Overlooking gaps in auto coverage. Speaking of cars, a lot of drivers assume full coverage means everything is covered. But policies can have gaps. For example, if you total a leased or financed car, your insurer might pay less than what you still owe, unless you have gap insurance. Also, many drivers skip uninsured motorist coverage, thinking it's not worth it. But with over 1 in 8 drivers in the U.S. uninsured, this can be a lifesaver. Know what your policy includes and what it doesn't. Number 2. Not updating your policies. Life changes, and your insurance should keep up. Got married? Had a baby? Moved to a new state? Started working from home instead of commuting? All of these should trigger an insurance review. Failing to update your policies can mean inadequate coverage or even claim denials. One of the most overlooked examples: not updating beneficiaries on life insurance or retirement accounts, which can cause serious problems for loved ones down the line. And finally, number 1, not knowing what you're actually covered for. This is the biggest one. Many people don't really know what's in their policy until they need to file a claim. And by then, it might be too late. Take some time, even just once a year, to read your policies or call your agent and walk through the coverage. Don't be afraid to ask questions like, what's excluded? What are my limits? And what would this policy look like in a worst-case scenario? A little clarity now can save you a major headache later. So let's recap. Avoid assuming bad things won't happen. Don't choose policies just because they're cheap. Make sure your home or rental is fully covered. Buy life insurance early. Understand your deductibles. Shop around. Update your policies when life changes. Fill in the gaps, especially in your car insurance. And above all, know exactly what you're paying for. Insurance isn't exciting, but it is essential, and getting it right can mean the difference between financial ruin and peace of mind. If this video helped you think differently about insurance, or reminded you to check your own policies, do us a favor. Hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more practical, real-world money advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.